Everyone knows that the West Coast is the best coast. Being fit is a lifestyle for me. It's a method of life. I'm not 6 weeks out, 4 weeks out, or 2 weeks out from any contest, okay? This is who I am. Let's go on. It's Max Wetstein with MaxWetsteinFitness.com. The fat you can see right underneath the skin that most people are concerned about for muscle definition is the subcutaneous adipose tissue. And actually that's the healthiest way to carry your body fat. The dangerous kind is the internal visceral belly fat inside here around your organs. That gives you the apple shape and a bigger circumference around your waist. That's the most dangerous kind. You can't really see that in the mirror. You see with a bulging belly, but some people are lean under their skin and have that bulging belly. That's called, being skinny fat. A while back, I coined a phrase and a concept I call ab awareness. It sounds really simple, but I wanted to take this time to explain to you more about what that means to me and why I came up with it. Ab awareness is almost a zen-like state where you're subconsciously aware at all times of what your abs are doing. What your abs are doing. What your abs are doing. What your entire midsection is doing. What your center of gravity. It's about always keeping your abs engaged. That includes your rectus abdominis, your transverse abdominis, and your entire core. Now this is more than just about vanity and looking good. This is about feeling better about yourself, better posture, being able to perform better physically. But at the same time, you get the added benefit of working out and exercising your abs, even while you're sitting in LA traffic or whatever you happen to be doing. What I'm trying to tell you is, never walk around letting your gut hang out. Always be aware of what's going on with your abs. You want that six-pack set of abs, and that's great. That looks good on the beach. But there's more to it. Abs awareness is a subconscious zen-like state for me. It's almost a path to higher consciousness. It's about being focused on your midsection, your core, your posture, chi, or channeling your energy. You're gonna feel it's an entire lifestyle. You can't spot reduce. You can't just do crunches all day and get them. You have to apply it throughout your entire lifestyle. So again, I'm Max Wetstein with MaxWetsteinFitness.com and Destination Health Plus. And now you know, and now you're aware of abs awareness.